Hello my friends, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Now in this lecture I'm going to giving you a tip about the Linux tools from where you can directly install and find the hacking tools only. So open the browser and search here toolx space GitHub. Toolx space GitHub and press enter. You have many more toolx links here on the GitHub, but you can check the latest one from here like it, it can't you need to follow this link, this one link. Both are the toolx link, but this one icard and warta toolx slash toolx is in the bug fixing stage. Now click on this tool. I think this is the latest version of the toolx. Now simply click on code and clone it and open the terminal. Give root permission. Type here git clone and paste the link and then press enter. So why it show me that the fatal destination path? Because its file is already exist, because I already installed it. I can show you, like if I type it toolx word and you can see the color is changed. Now type cd tool. Let me find here toolx folder name. So now type here cd and where is toolx? Here is the file. I need to find the folder here. Okay, I think I need to read this file toolx. There's a code available in this toolx file. I need to convert this tool into another file like tool hyphen capital X underscore file here. Now if I type a cat tool x underscore file, so I copy all the material which is available in the toolx into a new file. Now I want to remove the original toolx like rm-r t toolx and press enter. Now I can easily git clone this one and press enter. So the cloning is complete. Now here is the folder cd tool x. Here you have a file requirements.txt. So just run the command chmod plus x star, press enter. Now all the files color is changed. It means that all the files have the permissions to read, write and execute. And search type here pip install -r requirements.txt. It means that if any folder or any file have the requirements.txt file, then you can install that file using the pip install -r command. So it install all the tools which are entered in the requirement.txt available in the requirements.txt. It install all the tools one by one with only this one command. And I think all the requirements are already satisfied. Now clear it ls and you need to search here like /install.aex install.aex and press enter. Okay, requirement already satisfied and it show you use it at your own risk, no warranty and some other information. Do you want to install? Then type here TOOL toolx. So I don't want to I'm sorry, you need to type here y. I don't want to type press enter here because this tool is already installed, and if I press enter here then it can be affect my system. It mean it gave the error to me. So I type here Control C to exit from here. But the toolx is already installed. You just need to type there toolx and your toolx is automatically installed. Now you can access it from anywhere from your system. Just type tool -x and press the tab button. T is capital and the X is also capital and press enter. You have show all tools 377 tools or tool category. I want to show the tool category. 2, press enter. This is the tools category, which type of tool that you want to install in your system. So let's say DDoS attack. So I type here the number 13, press enter. So these tools are related to the DDoS attack. Slow Loris, Hulk, Hammer, Planet Work DDoS, and Light DDoS. So tap 00 to go back. Now I want to find the tool information gathering. These tools are related to information gathering. Simply click on any tool like Infoga. I want to install this one. Type 13, press enter. Cloning into this tool, and it's installed successfully. Now press enter. 00, go back, 00, go back, and X for exit. Now type ls, and I'm sure you find the tool here. Okay, it is not available here. Let me go back into our home location. Now search here. I don't know what was the tool name, but you can install with the help of this method. So this is the toolx, and that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next lecture.